Hello guys. I just saw on my YouTube subscriptions that couples react to J-Hope Airplane. I was like, what? He's got to use another MV out? What? So I have to do a reaction to it straight away. It's like Christmas every time they release a song or one of their members releases a song. So we're gonna check it out. Okay, this time I'm gonna watch it. Looks good. Already it sounds very different to the other one. Daydream, which I love. It was really upbeat and stuff. Oh, it's nice how the sky rotates in the background. The stars. It's nice. His words are so poetic. Oh my gosh, his songs are so good. He wants to fly the airplane. Now he's flying over the world. That's cool. Whoa, the first flight to Japan. Oh, how cool is the plane flying past? Man, he was looking up at the sky and now he's in a plane in the sky. Truly. Good. Don't listen to the haters. Good. Nice. How cool does that look? Oh, nice. Keep looking at the sky. Oh, I love this song so much. Damn, so cool. Hey, was that the same bit in Daydream as well? I love the song. It's such a, like, yeah, don't worry about people who hate. Like, just be happy. I love it. And it sounds nice. I love that background noise. Oh, that looks cool. And the thing about BTS videos I find is that they don't use a lot of CG, which is good, I think. Like if you see something, usually they actually really did it. So I think the plane did fly past. Wow, okay. So now I want to watch it just without the subs. If you don't mind. Because I wanted to know what the song's about. And then just, now that I know what it's about, I can just enjoy it. So this one's Airplane. First one was Daydream. He was dreaming about flying in a plane, and now he's in the plane. How cool is that? And there's a few more songs to go. I wonder where it's gonna go. Is it gonna keep going? Because this seems like today, like... Man, looks so good. The colors and just camera angles. Wow, how good does that look? The plane at night. His hair looks really cool in this. Look at those clouds moving. Must be time lapse, yeah. He's like in his car looking up. What's he holding? sounds so good. And and I know, now that I know the lyrics, I know they're so meaningful as well. Whoa, I love that view. Hey, that happened to me once. My friends and I were. Let's talk about it later. Love it. Just visually stunning. It's got a really chill, cruisy, laid-back mood, isn't it? Compared to the other one, which is like really upbeat. Oh, so good, J-Hope. I love it. I love the message as well. Like, some people don't like, but he's just like drinking champagne, being happy, looking at the sky. How good is that? How did BTS find the time to do everything? Like, they've made all these videos and they were still doing BTS Run, and I don't know, man. Oh, I'm so impressed. They must work so hard. They do. I know they work hard. That room's pretty cool. What's he dropping? That's very symbolic because they've shown it a few times. Who's in the background? Is that all him? Shadows. Yeah, I love the background with the. I like him on the roof. Looks cool. Nice. So cool. Airplane. Airplane. J-Hope. Fantastic. Alright. Quickly. That happened to me once. My friend Susie, she invited a couple of us, luckily enough, to get to be on the grand final of the AFL last year. To be on the ground for the Killers pre-show. And as we were just walking off after the Killers sang, this plane flew past just as we were leaving, and it was cool as. So it's a more amazing feeling when a big plane flies past, really low as well. Like, so good. But anyways, that I really love that MV. Love the song. Love the meaning. Fantastic. I wonder if they're gonna release more MVs. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. See you later.